Just a second. Caption. Just a second. Fine, I think it works. So today we're gonna discuss that previous year questions. So before we start, just so today we're gonna cover that 2014 questions. Okay, 2014 quant questions. So before we start, few things. And at any point, if you guys have any question, any queries, you can just put that in the comment chat box there, chat section there. Okay. So before we start, this important announcement that I want to tell regarding National Scholarship Test that's going on every Sunday. So this is today's your Saturday. So tomorrow this is 5 to 7. Okay. Tomorrow 5 to 7. Every Sunday this happens. So I have been telling this quite a few times there. So must attempt this test series there, and this test you'll be getting like live analysis, same day analysis and everything there, and top 20 scorers will get the 5k worth Amazon voucher. So this has been going on quite a since time. Fine, I hope I am audible and visible there. It's fine. Okay. And as you all know, on Unacademy there are batches and everything there to get everyone there, so that if someone is doing job and every like something is preparing for CAT, so that you can relevant batches you can join according to your time. So these are the batches that are starting from, this batch is starting from 21st beginner batch for CAT 2021. This batch is complete weekday batch for CAT 2021. This is starting from 23rd December. So you can enroll for this course, enroll for this batches. If you're a plus subscriber, go and click enroll button. So when the classes will start in these batches, you'll get the notification there. Fine. So this thing is there, and all the top educators will be teaching in these batches. You can enroll for this. I will be teaching quant in this batch. This will start from 23rd. So for subscription, you can use this code that is written there, Rahul Anant. You'll be getting instant 10% discount on all your Unacademy purchases there. Fine. I hope this is clear. This was for quite CAT 2021 students that are preparing. So today we'll start with our discussion for this question. This is from your ZAT 2014 question. Try this question. For each question I will give you about 1 minute, and then we'll discuss. Okay. Try this one, then we'll discuss. Giving you 1 minute. Try this question, then we'll discuss. So in the JAT questions, one thing like you will find that the questions there will be like approximation type questions will be lot of there. Okay, this thing I found, as compared to CAT, you will get the direct answer there. In this paper itself, you will see that there will be questions that will be related to your approximation thing. Fine. So try this question. You need to find, then we'll discuss. I hope you guys are trying there who are present. Okay, let's discuss this one. So consider the formula, this one, consider the formula S equals to, this is written there, this is written there, where all parameters are positive, all parameters are positive. So all these are parameters, so it means this are positive. If W is in, if omega, this is omega, no? This is omega is increased, and alpha and what is this, Tesla? Okay, so let's take alpha, let's take t, consider this at t, are kept constant, where W is increased and okay. So this is basically your R. This is your R, but that is your Tesla. Okay, so that this is the same thing. These two samples are same. So if this is increasing, your omega is increasing, and all other parameter are kept constant. So this alpha and p, basically this p will be also this, no, this all are given in the that form. Fine. Then you need to find S increases, decreases, increases, decreases, then decrease, and all these things. So basically these are a proportional question, like you need to find if there is an increase or decrease kind of thing. There you need to find the increase or decrease kind of thing. As I told, in the ZAT you'll find that there will not be like questions where, like, there will be lot of question of that type where you need to like do the approximation kind of thing. Okay, so in this question, like, there is not some value there you're solving and you're getting the answer. That type of questions, like in the ZAT, are this type of questions are there, we are not getting the exact answer kind of thing. Fine. So how to do this question? So S, and this is alpha, so this is omega. So this, basically what we can do, we can remove this thing, and we have to find the relation between this thing. Fine. So if I take what we can do here, if I take alpha, okay, if I take alpha out here, and I take alpha out here. Fine. So this is there, and R plus, and this is your P. So let's make it R, let's make it P. Fine. So this is there, and so this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. So now this is dependent on the omega, this is dependent on the omega, this is dependent on the omega. So let's take this out. If we take this out, finally we are trying to arrange it. Okay, we are trying to arrange it in such a manner that we, so this get cancelled, this get cancelled, no, this get cancelled, that thing I want to cancel this thing. So if I this thing here, so it finally goes into 1. If I like, okay, fine, 1 minus, and this will be R, and this will be R plus, this is there. Fine. Now this R get cancelled. Yeah. So now with this relation, just a second, is this fine? No, this is fine, this conversion is fine. Anyone has doubt in this thing? If this conversion is clear, just a second, if at any point you have doubt, you can just put that in the comment section. If this conversion is clear, now the question, now this changes this with this you can see, if omega is increased, if this is increases, if this increases, so what will happen? This increase, this decrease. I hope you are getting my point. I'm not able to see any chat. Fine. So what I am saying there, if you increase this, now increase this omega, if you increase this, so this will decrease. So if this is decreasing, so this overall will increase, because this is 1 minus, so that's why this increases. Fine. Just you have to do like arrangement. Solve this one question, series type question. Any question we miss? Solve this one. Try this. I'm giving 1 minute, then we'll discuss the value of the expression, and you need to find. Okay, just you have to open the summation and you have to find the value, nothing else. Simple. Just open this expression, just open this, expression. Anyone have answers, guys? Just see. Okay, so for this, what we can see there, this is your log, and 1 upon, so 1 to 100 we have to write upon 1 to 100. So log, and this is base 1, and this is 100 factorial, log 2 and 100 factorial. So this way it will keep on going. This way it will keep on going. Now log 1, log 2. So bases are different, so we cannot multiply also. We cannot multiply also. So if we see this thing log, so it will go up to where log 100 no? From 2. It is starting from 2. Sorry, it is starting from 2. It is starting from 2. So it will start from here. It will keep going on till your 100 log base 100. Okay, it will goes on keep till 100. 300 base is there. One more thing, I written it wrong, just a second, written it wrong. 1 upon, this is basically 1 upon, this is basically 1 upon. So I think we have done this type of question earlier also. 1 upon log 2 से start होगा, it will start from 2 and it will keep go on till log 100. So yeah, one thing we will do, this is 1 upon. So when we bring this thing to the numerator, this base get changed, so this get base and this is this. So this will go on till now base is 100 factorial. Now base is same, base is same, base is same. Now what we can do, we can multiply. Now base is same, we can multiply. Is it there? Now base is same, we can multiply. So log 100 factorial, so 2 and these numbers 3 4 that up to 100. So what is this? This is also 100 factorial, this is upon 100 factorial. So base and this is same, so this gives you 1. So 1 is the right answer. Fine, let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. Do this one. Rectangle, I think this exact same question, maybe same one. Yeah, same question we have done in the mensuration in the geometry classes. Try this one, then we'll discuss. Try this one. I am giving about 1 minute, then we'll discuss. 1.5 minutes, then we'll discuss. Just try this question. This question we have done earlier also. Then we'll discuss. A rectangular swimming pool is 48 meter long. 48 meter long. So let me just try to draw. 48 meter. Just solve. Everyone try this question. I'm just trying here. 48 meter long and 20 meter wide. Fine. And this shallow edge of 1 meter. So this is something this kind of. Something this kind of there. Something this kind of is there. Okay. Anyone got answer, guys? Anyone have answer? Anyone have answer? A rectangular swimming pool, this is given. So for every 2.6 meter that one walks up inclined base. Okay, suppose someone is walking here. How much? 2.6. One gains an elevation of 1. So elevation of 1. So elevation of 1. Elevation of 1. Elevation of 1. This will be 1. Inclined 2.6. So 2.6 and this should be so with for that what we can do for that, basically, like as I told in the Z, like in the Z most of the time there are not a direct. If you see CAT, I found like in the CAT there are more easier question as compared to CAT Z. In the Z, one thing, there will not be like these questions are direct, but like next question will say there will be greater than, less than, these type of some weird type of values will be there. Definitely you will get nervous, but I think just do practice these type of questions regarding your this thing. Okay, I think that may help. Okay, fine. So what, just do few mocks and all the things that may help. Nothing else can be do regarding that nervousness. So that's why we give the mock, so that like nervousness can be it can be like you can get comfortable with that type of scenarios. Fine. So in this question, so for every 2.6, so as this is saying, for every 2.6, so if you see this thing, if it is going 2.6, one walks up the inclined base of swimming pool, one gains a elevation of 1. So for 2.6, you're like, for this is 1. So if this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. If you try to apply here Pythagoras theorem, what will be this? 2.6 and 2.6, basically this is 1.3 now, 1.3, and this is 5. Anyone just let me know what this value will be. 2.6 2.4. This is 2.4. Fine, this is 2.4. So if this is 2.4, so we have to cover this 48, this complete 48, this is complete 48, this is complete 48. Okay, everyone just like nervousness, just we can like get over by just giving the mocks. There is only way. Okay, just give mock in same time frame, that will help only. So for 2.4 horizontal, we are elevating 1, we are elevating 1. So 48, for this 48 meter, we will elevate 48 for 2.4 is 1, 48 for that is 20, so this will be 20. Okay, so if this is 20, so basically this is 20 and this is 1. So now we need to find the what is the volume of water. So volume of water will be, so for this I have told that we need to take just average of this thing. We just need to take average. Okay, we don't need to worry too much, we'll just take the average and your normal. We will do the normal. So 48, this is 48 into 20 into length into breadth and just average of this. So 21 plus 1, that is 22. So 48 into 20 into 11, so that is 96 into, so which number is multiple of 11? No, this is not multiple of 11, this is not, yeah, this is, so this will be the answer. Basically we have reached the answer 9 6, so 6 9 15, yeah, 10. This is the answer. Is this clear? Anyone has doubt in this thing? Anyone has doubt there, just you can just let me know. Let's come to the next question again. This is there in the Z. See the length of the question. Like this question even like we have done this type, this was there, but see the length of the question. See the length of the, these type of questions there will be in the Z. Professor Suman takes a number of quizzes. Even like if I write this in a complete line, then also it will come up to here like this, up to this. So this will be 5-6 line question. Okay, so Professor Suman takes a number of quizzes for a course. Try this question. I am giving out 1.5 minute, 1.5 minute, then we'll discuss. Professor Suman takes quizzes and try this question. Takes a number of quizzes for a course. All the quizzes are out of 100. Quizzes are out of 100. This out of 100. A student can get a A grade if an average of her score is made more or equal to 90. Grade B if it's awarded the average score between 87 and so 90. So definitely these questions are lengthier, but what we can do. So 100, okay, a student can get an a grade, A grade के लिए it needs 90 plus. Grade B, if the average of her score is 87 and 89, 87 and 89, okay, so 90 is included here. So here is the 87 to 89 both included. Fine. Here 90 is included. Fine. If the average is below, so below it, 87, basically 86 and less than 86. If the average is below 87, the gets a C grade. Ramesh is preparing for the last quiz and he realizes that he must score a 97. He must score 97 to get a A grade. A grade, okay. After the quiz, he realized that he will score 70 and he will be just manage a B. How many quizzes did Professor Suman did take? Anyone has got answer? Let me check. Anyone have answers? Anyone got answer there? Anyone, guys? So we need to find the number of quizzes. So for B grade, at least 90, how much? At least 87 marks. B grade 87, and for this at least 90. So we'll use this to solve this question. I hope you guys have tried this question. We'll use this thing to solve the question. So let's see. So suppose there are total n quizzes that has been done. N quizzes. So this is the last quiz now. So this is the last. Before that there has been n minus 1 quizzes. Okay. Suppose total marks we need to find. After the quizzes he realizes that he will score 70 and he will just manage a B. Fine. So before that needs to be like n minus 1. Suppose there are marks, total marks, that is m. So we can say m plus, if he gets 97, according to his assumption, according to his wish that he get 97, so he will reach here. At least we will consider at least, but he in reality, this is the reality, and he just manage, so 87. So we'll use this equation to solve this question. We will solve these two equations and get the answer. C. Just see. Nitesh, answer is the C. Okay. So C, let me check 8. Suppose I put 8 here. So I'm getting 9 at 720. 720. Okay. I put 8 here. Okay, I have to solve, I think. Nitish, do you have got the same equation as like 90 n? So what we need n, we will, so this is simple. This will not be also a problem because m has not any coefficient. So that yeah, this will not be difficult to solve this equation. This is simple to solve. 3n, and that is 27. Just check 9 is the answer. Just check. Nitesh, just check 9 is the answer. How many quizzes? Yeah, 9 is the answer. Just check, just let me know, Nitesh. Is this clear? 9 is the answer for this. 9 is the answer for this one. Nitesh, any doubt there? Just let me know. Fine. Do this question. Nitesh, I think previous question is clear, no? Answer is 9. You have written C. So try this question. A polynomial, this is given, intersects x-axis at 1. X-axis at 1 and 1 and minus 1. Okay, so why you are doing approximation in this? Approximation was not required, not this. Fine, this was I think this was little less. Again, I told data will be little bit lengthier, but that will be possible. Okay, fine. 8. After realizing how much a score you just manage. Fine, try this question. Try this question. A polynomial intersect x-axis at 1 and -1 and y-axis at 2. Fine. The value of b. We need to find the value of b. You need to find the value of b. I think there also you will get x equals to 1 intersect. Try this quickly, try, then we'll discuss. So what we need to find? We need to find the value of b. We need to find the value of b. I think we should discuss. If anyone got answer, just you can put there in the chat section. So what is this? A x cube plus b x cube plus cd. Okay, fine. So ax cube plus bx cube plus cx plus t. If I put intersect at x, so that means y0, this will be 0. Intersect at x, this will be 0, and x is 1, so a plus b plus c plus d equals to 0. For -1, a minus b plus c, no, this will be also minus c, plus d equals to 0. So d equals to a plus b plus c. Fine. This thing we have got. This thing, this two equations we have got. So from this we can say, I think this should be square now. A bx square. There is, I think, printing mistake. This should be square. Else this is a square. Just check. Just correct this. This is a square. This will be square. Fine. This will be square. This is there. So this is there now. What? So basically not. So this is b plus d equals to a plus c. And this equation we have. Now the third point is saying that y-axis. So x will be 0. X is 0 and this is 2. So d is 2. From where we got d equals to 2. Now we get d equals to 2. So a plus b plus c equals to -2. And what we need? B. What we need? B. We need b now. So bd, if we put bd here, we just basically we have to like solve this equation. Okay, bd we put ac. So we get a equals to a equals to minus c. A equals to minus c. So that b equals to -2. From these two relation I've got a equals to minus c. That I am using here. Is this clear? Just let me check if anyone has doubt. Any confusion till now? Fine now. Is this clear? From this from these two relation, I have got I will just put bd here a plus c. I put bd a plus c, so that a plus c equals to 0. So that is a equals to minus c. So I put a equals to minus c. This get cancelled and this get -2. Fine. Okay, so this type question we have done. Maybe we have done exact question in the class. Try this question. Sum of the possible values of x. Try this question, then we'll discuss. The sum of the possible values of x in the equation. The sum of possible values of x in the equation. So this type question we have done in the class. If you have paid attention, I think you'll be able to solve. try, then we'll discuss. I am giving about 1 minute, then we'll do next. Everyone try this question, then we'll discuss. B. Okay, B. So they wants B. Basically, what is this? 7 8 7 8. It is minus 15. 15. Okay. Okay, let's D. I think B will be right. B will be right, I think. Fine, let's check. So I have told for this type of question, just first draw the critical points. So that is minus 7 and that is 8. Okay. So if you see the distance between them is 15. 15. Fine. E, none of them. Okay. So either this or this will be, I think this or this. For one, I am not sure, but like if these are not, definitely answer will be either one, I think. Okay. Okay, let's see what is right answer there. So minus 7 minus 8. Okay, so this is 15. So one thing, as I told, like if you put any value there, like between minus 7, if you put minus 7 here, what do you get? You get 15. You put 0 here, you get 15. You put any value between this thing, any value between this thing, you will get the 15 here. You will get the 15 here. Okay. But suppose if I move here, a bit, okay, so we are getting 15, but we need 16, so we need to increase it by 1. So if I increase any one by 0.5, so if I make it 7.5, and so what will happen, so this will become 0.5, and this become 8.5. Okay, so you can check here 7.5 minus 7.5 give you 15.55, and that is giving 16. Fine. So this concept I've discussed in the class. I've discussed in the mod functions where I've done. These are easier questions. Okay, these questions can be solved very easily if you know the approach that I have discussed there. So for this again 8.5 there. So like I hope you guys know this approach. So that approach can be also applied here simply here. That approach also that most of you knows. But in the class I've told very simple approach. So that will take time to explain. So I will explain the approach that most of you knows. So what basically, suppose these are two friends. Okay, but like I have told in the class very simple approach, but that will take time to explain as I told. So I will tell you this approach that most of you know. Suppose these are two friends. Okay, so so the distance between the minimum distance traveled by this, that type of questions are there. So that is 15. Okay, so that is 15, but we need 16. So to get distance more than this, we need to either move this side, that both friends have to meet either this point or this point. Okay, then there will be distance will be greater than 15, else total they will be covering always 15 meter, whatever this distance you can take. Fine, so we need 16. So that's why we need, if we meet at this place, suppose this point P1 and P2, if we meet P1, so this will move by 0.5. If we just move by 0.5, so 0.5 this friend will also travel. We need to increase one now. We are getting 15, we need to make it 16. So if we make it 0.5, so this friend will move also 0.5, this friend will also move 0.5 extra, so total one extra will be there, that will give us 16. Fine. So two solutions are there, one is minus 7.5, other is 8.5. So what we need, a sum. So sum of this is 1, sum of this is 1, so 1 is the right answer. Divans is right. Satyam, just check your answer. Satyam, just check your answer. Anyone has doubt? Can we move to the next question? Try this one. Try this question. Two number this. So number system question, I think this will be simple. You have options, you can just check that. I think you can apply the option, use you can use make use of the options to solve this question. Shivam, Satyam, I think previous question must be clear. Previous question was clear, I think. Fine. So try this question. Two numbers belong to base B system. If the first number is a factor of the second number, then the value of B is. So options are there. I think it will be little easier to solve. If options are not there, then this question becomes little complicated. But options are there. We can make the equation anyway, and we can like check if that is there or not. Fine. So let's try. So to basically like just open this. Don't do any complicated. Very simple thing. Just open this thing. So if we write, so 7, so 7 plus 9b plus 2b square, and 792b will be 2 plus 9b plus 7 ka b square. Is this fine? So if we do factorization, we can factor it, no? B2 है ना, so 299, yeah, 927, that we can do. So b, I'm just doing the factors, okay. 2b, 9 and 2 plus 1, yeah, 2b plus 1, 2b, no, 2b plus 7, 2b plus 7 and b plus 1. So 7 and 7, 2, 9, 2b square. Fine. This is the factor. And for this 7 to 14, 7 to 9. So same thing there, just this get reversed, 7 and b plus 1, 7b square, 7 2b 9 and 7. Fine. These are the factors. Is this clear? Is this clear? Anyone has doubt in these factors? Anyone has doubt there in these factors? If this is clear, now what the question is saying, that this is the factor. If the first number is a factor of the second number, if first number is the factor of the second number, fine. So first number is factor of the second number. So first number is this one. This is the factor of this one. This is the factor of this one. So basically, let's take A and B. First number is the factor of this. So basically this should be there. Is it fine? So if that is there, so let's write B upon A equals to something. So B upon A, B is this. So 7, B plus 1 get cancelled. B plus 1 get cancelled. This we get. Now we can make use of options there. And which option will satisfy? Let's see 11. So 77 to 79, 22, 27, 29. No, it's not satisfying. Okay. 22. No. What we can do? So let's take 12, 7, 84, 86, and 14, 7. No. 50. Let's try 19. 19 sevens. 19. I don't know what this. I will 153. I think 9 7. No, 130. 9 7 63 7 133 to 135. 9 to 38 and 45. 45 3. Yeah. So 19 is the right answer. Any doubt? I hope till now everything must be clear. So let's move to the next one. See this question again, a very big question, and this is again a approximation. I was talking about this type question. See this type question. Okay, let's do this. Let me check. This is there. Again, S1, S2 is there. S1, S2, no. So see, this question is approximation. This is approximation. This is approximation. You can see 4 questions are there from approximation itself. Try this one, then we'll discuss. There are two windows on the wall of building that need repair. A ladder is placed. Okay, so this is that height and distance from the trigonometry. Find height and distance from trigonometry. Try this one, then we'll discuss. Let's see what is there in this question. I have tried to take mostly all the question there. I have leave like maybe very easy question or few question, two three question I think I have left. I have taken most of the question. GI questions are not there, and leaving that most of the questions are from 2014 paper. There are two windows on the, so we'll try to finish all these questions that are there, and like if any questions are left there, that you have to do as a homework, and you find any difficulty there, so like you can message me any there, anyway you can message me on Unacademy, Telegram, anywhere you can message me, we can discuss that. Fine. There are two windows on the wall of a building that needs to repair. A ladder 30 centimeter long placed against the wall. Okay, ladder 30-meter long is placed against a wall such that it just reaches the first window. Okay, which is 26. So is this 13? Fine. The foot of the ladder is at point A. Foot of the ladder is at point A. After the first window is fixed, the foot of the ladder is pushed backward to point B. Okay, so let's to point B. So that the ladder can reach the second window, the angle made by the ladder with the ground is reduced by half. Okay, so if this was theta, this will be, let's take theta, so this will be theta by 2. Okay, so this becomes there. So now what we need, so we can first find this thing. Let's take OA, so 900, 26 का 676, so difference होगा 4 and 2 and 862, so 224 roots 224. Anything there, anything I think 4 is there, definitely 8, 16, 8 is also there, this multiple of 8, this we have done right now. 26 का स्क्वायर 676 ही होता है. Just let me check. 26 6636. Yeah, fine. And 10. So 972, fine. So this is 2 and 2. So 4 saying it as well as, so if I bring this 14 4 4 14 4 no 14 4, just a second, let me just check. 6, this is fine, no? This is fine. So this basically 16 will be out, I think 16 will be out. 16, 14 is there, definitely 14, 6 8 14 6, yeah, this is there. So 4 root 14. Okay, so this way we'll find this thing. After that we get the theta here. So again, see, this is very complicated to find the theta. Okay, let's try tan theta perpendicular upon base. Now what we'll do, root 14 we don't know, 4, so 13 by, so this is basically 13 by 2 root 14. Anything else we can do here? Anyone can approximate this thing? Anyone there can approximate this value? Approximate this value? Like 14 root 14 अगर find करना थोड़ा difficult होगा. If we find root 14 will be 4 से less होगा 3.5. So 35 का square if we see, so it is 12 2.5. So 35 से ज़्यादा होगा. 36 37 38 का स्क्वायर देखते हैं. 38 at 64, but that will be also problem. 8 at 64, 24 48 54 3 9 144. So 38 से less होगा. 37, I'm just trying, just a second. 49 42 46 13.69. So 3.75 around something. Tan theta equal to 13 upon 3.7. Let's take 5. So that's become this becomes, let's become 3.75 का 2 टाइम कितना होता है? 7.5 upon 13. So that is anyone getting any values there? Anyone? 225 is 15 square. 225 is 15 square. Yeah, I can approximate there also. Like I can take 15 approximately. Okay, I think if this was in CAT, definitely I will use calculator. I will try to, but okay, let's go. 7.5. Anyway, we can relate this value. In the theta, let's see what values we know. In the tan theta values we know for 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and infinity. We know these values. So if you try to approximate which value will come closer to this 13 upon 7.5. So this is approximately 1 point, not 2 times. 2 times is 15. This will be closer to, no, this will be closer to 1.73. Is will be there. So this theta will be 60. Like we are doing approximate. Okay, this near about. Okay, so this is 60, so this is 30. Let's see if we can find. I think this will be right. This will be right. So theta 60 30, and now what we need, the angle made by the half of the pussy. So distance between AB, we need distance between AB. Now this question becomes easier one. So this was the difficult task to find the theta value. Once you find the theta value, I think then there is not as such issue to solve this question. Okay, we have found approximately this theta. Let's see if that works or not. So this is there. So this is your 30. This is your 60. So we need to find this, and this will remain 30. This length will remain 30, length of ladder. This is 26. This will remain, and this is 414. Okay, fine. So now 414 we have. We need to find this length. We need to find OB. If we find OB minus OA, that thing we need. OB minus OA that we need. OB minus OA we need. So OB we don't know, OA we know. So OB, how we'll find OB? So for OB, what we can do? This is 30. This is 30, and this we can find. This we can find. Cos theta I think will be. This cos 30 will give us the answer. Is this there or not? This we can find. This we can find there. So this will be OB will be cos theta. Cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. 30 into root 3 by 2. Is this there? Is this there? Is this there? cos theta will be cos 30 will be, so we can multiply there, would be, so 30 root 3, or we can do this thing, or we can do this thing, this upon this, no, this upon this, we can, then we can solve this upon this. So 4 root 14, any like any approach you can do there, this upon this. Fine. Now again, do the approximation. So as I told in the Z paper, there will be like, these are things too many questions. Approximation is the thing. Yeah, we will go by the question. Fine. Now let's again, let's again do this approximation. So root 3 upon 15. So this 15 come this side, and this is root 14 plus x. So same thing I told there, 15 minus root 14. So this was 15 chi square, no? Approx. I'm not talking about exact. 220. So let's take it as 15. Okay, let's take it as 15. So 15, and options are also close. Options are also close. Options are also close. Okay, no. So let's see. So let me take it as a 50 से थोड़ा less होगा. Let's take 50. Let's take 50. Let's try with the 50. Maybe we'll get some value that like in this range. Either this will be answer, I think, either this, because these are too much approximation there. So I think they will give the answer on one limit side. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So 15 and point. So 15.732. So 30. 48 105 109. Yeah, so as I told, so this is the answer. Is this clear? Because here like we have approximate angle also, everything there, so that's why most probably answer will be your either in this, either in like, you will get the clear kit, that you can see there is a very clear, that is 10.9, even when we have taken this value larger. So basically this will be something around 11, more than 11 also. So that is clear cut greater than this value, greater than this value. Okay, else like answer will be less than this, exactly will be like 7 point something. Fine. Any doubt there? Okay, so let's do one more question there. Let's do this question. This question also seems to be little, let's do this question. Do this question as homework. I think there will be tangent. Okay, do this as a homework. If you found difficulty, you can just let me know. Try this right now. Do this right now, then we'll discuss. X 17, 3x minus y square minus 2 and 3x plus y square minus 30 are four consecutive terms of an increasing arithmetic. So this is simple. I think sum of the four numbers is divisible by, or four consecutive sum of four numbers. If we add, we'll get the just x. Try this question, use properties of AP. I think that will work here. Then we'll discuss. So term T1, T2, T3, T4 are four consecutive terms are in AP. Basically we need a value of x, we don't need value of y, we need the value of x. So if we are able to find the value of x somehow, okay, I think we should discuss So in this thing, anyone have answer, guys? Anyone? I'm just looking at your comments here. Okay, so these are in AP. These are in AP. Anywhere we can easily find the value of x. We need to find the value of x. One term we have. Only one term we have, that is 17. That is 17. So if I remove this term, x will be removed. X will be removed. If I go with this only, just a second, I'm trying to see if I use this is the arithmetic mean. This is arithmetic mean, 3x minus y square minus sum of these. No, that will not help. That will not help. Like, we have to go by traditional approach. We have to go traditional. That that this minus this equal to this. Okay, fine, let's do traditional. Let's do this. So this minus this, 17 minus x equals to this minus this. So this will be 3x and minus y square minus 2 minus, so that becomes 19. That's become 19 now. Minus 2 and minus 17, that becomes 19. So that becomes 4x and y, if we bring this side, y square plus 36. Any value we can guess here, so that we can get this in the AP. We can get this in the AP. This is 4. This is multiple of 4. I just don't want to make one extra equation. That's I'm just trying to guess. Y square by 4, and it is 9. That is 9. So if I put y equals to, this is fine. X equals to y square by 4 plus 9. If I put y equals to 2, x equals to 10. If y equals to 2, x equals to 10, just let me check. Y equals to 2, x equals to 10. Y equals to 2, 34 minus 6. So that is 24 now. That is coming fine. Great. 30. So okay, this is creating problem. This will not work here. Let's go with the next value. 2 हो गया, 3 नहीं हुआ, 4. Let's take 16 here. So x equals to 4, 13. X equals to 13. Y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. Are you getting my point? Anyone has any doubt there, guys? C, that is 5. Okay, so x equals to 4. Is this value you have got? Cosec, do you have got this value? Just let me know if you have got this value. So 4, and this can be minus 4 also. Because square is there. So if I put these value, so let me x equal to 13. So 4 का increase है यहाँ पर, and 13 3 39 minus 18, that is 21, right? Great. So 13 3 39 and 30, that is 9 and plus 16, that is 25. Yeah, so this works. Finally this works. So the addition of all this is 38, 76. 76, the sum of the 4 numbers divisible by 2. This is that. Fine. So guys, few questions are left there. Definitely these questions were little lengthier. Do all these questions as homework. So these are questions from 14. If you have any doubt, you can message me on Unacademy. You can message me on my Instagram ID, that is Rahul Anant. Instagram ID is also my Rahul Anant. You can message me. If you're planning for 2021 preparation CAT, you can take plus subscription there. Use this referral code Rahul Anant. You will get the instant 10% discount. And must visit my profile, that is unacademy.com/Rahul Anant. Anywhere, just search me with the Rahul Anant. Just you can Google Rahul Anant Unacademy, you will get my profile link there. And like if you're planning for CAT 2021 preparation, must visit my profile. You'll get a lot of lessons free there as a form of special classes and structured courses in the form of plus. If you want to go for plus subscription, use this referral code. You will get instant 10% discount. So that's it for today. Let's meet in some next session. So I will inform you about the next session. So that we will do the 14 questions. If we will have 15 paper, now we will do the 15 paper. We'll try to speed up in the next session. Okay, we are little slower today. We'll try to speed up in the next session and we'll try to cover all the questions that will be there. So in the 14 questions, if you have any doubt, guys, you can message me. You can search me on Instagram using this ID. Not Instagram, on the Telegram there. Okay, use this ID. You can search me on the Telegram. If you have doubt, you can just message me there, or you can message me on Unacademy itself. Just in the description of this video, I think you will get the my profile link. You can reach there and you can message me there. Fine. I think you will get my profile in the this. Fine. So that's it for today. Let's meet in some next session. Just thank you all. Good night.